Hayi, ziyakhala. Ndibhizi ndenza iividiyo zeValentine's. Ziyakhala. Ududuzile is coming for Floyd in a public platform. Yo. Let me show you guys. Yo. Ududuzile lutweet up. Remember I said ndizawuza ividiyo ngomso. Ungathi akafika ungomso. Yo. Ziyakhala. She has lost it. Yo. Apparently, she has also unfollowed Floyd to tell Floyd, I'm not scared of you. Tell your minions to fuck off. Bloody Mafiki Zolos. Haibo. She's coming in very strong. She says the worst thing that has ever happened to MK. Haibo. Yo. Andy. When we said Team Dudu, Team Floyd, you guys was like, hey, I call on to up and no. Aha. Ziyakhala ngoku and ke ngoku on a public platform. Ooh, and I see ke ngoku ndiyabona ezinye MK members zithi ubana uPresident Zuma must not disappoint us. This is going to be a very tight spot for President Zuma because now he has to choose between uDudu no uDudu has lost it. She has lost it ngoku. Hayibo. Hey, uSamkele Mayiseka journalist, he only wrote, you feel him. Hayi move, yibioscope. Sizawuthini commanders on a public platform kanje. Andisoyiki. Iyu.